Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I just want to share with you how I use the GX85 for a vlogging camera. Now, when I first purchased this camera, I think it was about 8 years ago, I wasn't thinking of vlogging. That came later, suggested to me by my primary care physician. So when I bought it, it didn't have the thought in mind, and was not thinking about the importance of a fully articulating screen, which is, I wouldn't say essential for vlogging necessarily, but really quite useful. The reason being is that, you know, if you're in a setting like this right here, it's not very critical. But if you intend to vlog, especially if you intend to go outside, you really need a monitor to be able to see what's going on. Because without it, you can have things like this, where the camera gets confused because of, you know, the light and the dark, etc., and me, and you really don't want that. So initially, after I purchased the camera, I tried various things. Panasonic has a tethering program that allows you to tether your camera to the PC monitor, and that didn't work. And eventually I just gave up, and I went out and bought a Sony ZV-1, which is also I'm using to do this video. And you can choose. I'm not doing it deliberately to make the comparison. I'm doing it so that you can see how I've set this camera up. But so long as I'm doing it, you can, judge for yourself which which camera you think is doing the better job. In fact, when I look at it and in editing, I will be doing the same. But it's not the actual purpose of the video. It's just to show how I've set it up after, like I said, maybe 8 years of owning the camera. I purchased this monitor for another camera, and then I thought, well, why don't I try it on my GX85? And so, here it is. I'm not recommending this monitor, but it is the OC, I think it's called a Lemon or something like that, Lyman. And I like the fact that it has that arm, because I could flip the monitor over, and if I'm walking around, I want to see what's in front of me, but when I'm vlogging, I want to see, this side, and that's very convenient. Anyway, that's the whole purpose of this video, is just to share that if you have the GX85, and a lot of people are probably way ahead, or most people way ahead of me on this, but for me, it just didn't occur to me that, oh, all I need to do is do this, and then I could use it for a vlogging camera. Had I thought of that initially, I might not have bought that ZV-1. Which is a great camera, but I bought it mainly because I felt that it was essential that I have a fully articulating screen. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.